Ito na, HK Asian Princess 2013.
Candidate number 1, show of singing, stitching from the summer government of the Philippines, Baguio City, Debbie Dexiana Pugo. Okay, ang babae sa red na gown. Dexiana Pugo from Baguio City, our princess number 1. Okay, ito pang mayaman na punasa ito, daming gold. Wala bang palakpakan dyan?
Anang iya, may pala nagkapadalo. Ganang anak.
In everything you do, put God first. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dixiana Pogong, and I'm proud to represent the Italo Fans Club and a Hong Asian top model. I thank you. Palakpakan po sa contestant number 1.
Thank you, candidate.
Hindi ako na nagtaba. Ay, yung mataba.
Asian Princess number 1. Here's our Hong Kong Asian Princess number 2. 32 years of age. She loves singing, hiking, and she's from Matanao, Vigas, Davao del Sur, Mindanao. It's Helen Rosario. Okay, ang lady.
Princess kaya may inhin. Hindi pang rampay. Oo.
Ayan, nakakita ko si ate, nagkaroon ng inspirasyon. Pwede din pala ako. Kaya talaga pag-uubutan ko na talaga ng inspirasyon si ate. That's our Hong Kong Asian Princess number 2.
Tagal mo naman ay matakot.
Okay, our lady.
Na maganda mukha. Maganda yung mukha.
Maganda siya kahit mataba.
Oo, tingnan mo, ang ganda.
Dream what you want to dream and be what you want to be. Because they have only one life to do it. Live life to the fullest. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Shannon Arayo, 32 years old, from the Bao City, proud to represent the Asian Modeling Group and to my Duyu family. Thank you. Ayan, very good, ate. Thank you, candidate number 2. That's our Hong Kong Asian Princess number 2. Let's move on to Hong Kong Asian Princess candidate number 3. 26 years of age. She loves dancing from captivating City of Pines, Baguio City. Maria Cristela Ominga. Okay, that's our candidate number 3. Yeah, it's Jane Ignacio. I'm candidate number 4. I do believe that beauty is not on the face.
Maganda siya, bagay niya maging
The light in the heart. I am proud to represent United Spring Thank you. Let's move on to approaching your microphone, candidate number 5 for Hong Asian Princess. No matter what imperfections that life may bring, still, life is great. Give your best and strive for it. Self-trust is the only key to success. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Marilyn Fernandez, and I am proud to present Balungao Overseas Workers Association. Candidate number 5 for Hong Asian Princess. Let's call our candidate number 6. Our candidate number 6 for Hong Asian Princess is 30 years old, and she loves to play basketball and chess. Chess is different from being chess next time. From Iloilo City, here we have Marilo Oona. Ganda Charlie, no? Kaya naman si Charlie ko, ano? Here comes Leia. I believe that ability may get you to the top, but it takes character to get you there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your candidate number 6, Marilu La Villaga Mata, saying a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of us.
Oo, nervous na naman yan.
Sana nanginginig siya.
Thank you, candidate Charlie is coming. Let's move on to our candidate number 7 for Hong Kong Asian Princess. She loves cross-stitching, cooking, reading books, and she's from the landlocked province of the Philippines, Mountain Province, Miss Leia Pican. Mark Cowan.
Good afternoon, everyone. Standing in front of you is Leia Pican, and I'm proud to represent the Mountain Province community in Hong Kong. The saying that goes, it's more fun to be the real you. That's why I believe. That's why I'm proud of who I am. I'm an Igorot. Thank you.
Alright, you're on stage, together with candidate number 7